Hi guys, we're here in another video. Today we're eating some pizza and fish fries.
Thank you.
And what place is this again?
Bagger Days.
Bagger Days.
Babe, taste these sweet potato chips with this. Zeke, you want to taste this? It's so good. Did you like it, Nas? These are good. You sure? You don't have to eat it if you don't like it.
I love them.
Sweet potato chips.
What are you eating?
Honey.
You eating fish fries and that?
Sea salt.
I can't beat this up. Oh, now we got a pizza. Now.
Here. Just take a bite. If you don't like it, you can put it down. They're good, I promise. Nas liked it. Don't burn yourself. Here, I'll put it right here. Just taste it. It's so good. You like it?
I mean, this was gonna record it.
Don't like it?
So what we do? Minecraft.
Okay.
And then Roblox.
I think it would like sweet potato fries better. Okay. So you put that over there so I can have some room. Thank you, sir. That's not my sister.
That's my sister.
You can taste it.
She's at somebody else's house right now. So.
I wanted you to have
Sister.
my go-to Killian.
She did one video, but that video is private.
I can go for Killian or a nice glass of pretzel. Pretzel.
First time ever going here. It's the greatest place ever.
It's the what? It's the best place ever?
Yes.
I do like it.
I think it's eating fish fry. And that pizza out.
Ooh. Did you like that sample? Not really. Do you have any sweet red wine?
Sweet red wine? I can get you a Cabernet.
And can you pour a little, what is it? Grenadine.
Cabernet with some grenadine? Gotcha. I like it sweet. If that's wrong, I don't want to be right. Everything else is good though?
Right.
Awesome.
So, I need a pizza.
If you use both hands, you can eat the pizza. Here, prop it up against this thing. Lean it up against there. There you go. And you're gonna have to scoot that way because I'm getting your elbow on my plate. Thank you.
Okay. And it's the end of the video. Bye, guys.